Hello, I'm Neil. Welcome to Grandpa's Workshop. As always, big thank you to all my subscribers. And this week I'm making Christmas tree decorations with my grandson. Now this is starting to become a bit of a tradition for us, because I seem to be making decorations with him every Christmas. But before I get into the video, I'd like to give a massive thanks to Dave over at Grumpy's Workshop for giving my channel a shout out. I think it's fantastic that he thinks my channel's worth it. So thanks, Dave. Cheers, buddy. I'd also like to thank the subscribers that jumped over from his channel. So, hello, welcome to Grandpa's Workshop. I hope you like what you see. I'll put a link to Grumpy's Workshop in the description. Go and check his channel out if you've not seen him. He does some fantastic videos, workshop videos, build videos, tool reviews. Great content. Go and check him out, like, subscribe. So let's crack on with the video. What I've done is I've taken 3 thin pieces of plywood. I've stuck them together with some double-sided tape. I've marked a simple bauble shape, a simple tree shape in the middle. What I'm going to do is drill a hole through the tree, cut it out on the scroll saw, and then I'll cut the bauble shape out on the bandsaw. I've got the tree shape cut out, so now I'm going to use the bandsaw to cut the bauble shape out. Then I'll take them over to the disc sander and start sanding. All I need to do now is drill a hole through there for a piece of ribbon for when they're hanging on the tree, and then I can separate these 3, and then my grandson can paint them and put some glitter on them. I'm going to separate these decorations now and remove the double-sided tape. These are the completed tree decorations. I hope you've enjoyed this video.
Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.